Good morning, guys. It's Saturday morning, and I just started the day with a bit of editing. This right here is the Sydney footage. This is our first day in Sydney. While I'm on that topic, I might as well share the setup that I'm working with at the moment. So this is where I do all of my editing. DaVinci 15 is my editing software. It's free, it's fast, and I love it. Look at the scrubbing action here. Look how good that footage looks. If I sound congested, it's because I can't breathe through my nose at the moment. The whole night, I was trying to breathe through my nose, but failed. And then, you know, when you wake up in the morning and your mouth feels like cotton? That's how I felt this morning. So I was breathing through my mouth most of the time. This is also where I've been working from home. So with that, oh, and this is some Maori that was taught to us. It's whakaroa mai, which means listen to me. Whakaroa mai. Kids love to say that because it's the only time they can get away with saying the word whaka. Oh, it's getting cold in New Zealand. Okie dokes, Ricky, ready to roll? We have a friend, our old kolokatai, our old roommate. His name is Davi. He's in a band called Opposite Inverse, and they are starting to have an online presence. If you want to check their band out, the link is below. Their name is Opposite Inverse on Instagram. Link is below. So Davi is starting to have a bit of an online presence now, and he's seen some of my videos and he wants to learn how to do some video editing. So I'm gonna head over to his place right now. Just gonna have some pizza, a couple beers, and I'm gonna teach him the basics of editing videos. Yeah. Our old place. Hey, buddy. If you're cool. How does it run? Is it fast?
I haven't even tried this.
Cheers, guys. Enjoy the vegan pizza.
Yeah. Tonight I gotta spend like probably an hour with the thing.
Yep.
Software, see what happens. I can tell already is low at.
Whatever.
You wanna stop by?
Yeah.
I'll be here. I'm on holiday.
My pleasure.
See you later.
Thanks, bro. See you later. It was fun. It's always good to catch up with Davi. I think we spent like more time just shooting the shit and talking about music than we did editing. I hope he learned something from me. All right. We were supposed to drop off some recycling stuff, but the refuse center is closed. But we do have some clothes to give away, so we're gonna pass by the Salvation Army? Sally Ann's?
This has to be one of the best op shops here in New Zealand.
All right, let's donate some clothes. These are your dad's pants that he left here in New Zealand.
Maybe don't put that in the video because I'm supposed to bring them back to Canada, but I'm kind of hoping that he forgot. What's that? It's like miniatures of groceries.
Oh, New World.
You could make little dioramas. Yeah, look, they have the crumpets that I like, the butter popcorn, those continental cup of soup.
Love, we have to donate. We have to donate
The
these
morning
clothes.
fresh. Look, they even have the brick cheese. Can I exchange this for that? Can I just look at it? What's inside?
This is an old shirt I got in Miami.
Frying pan.
My old H&M hoodie. Many meals were cooked with this frying pan, but it's lost its non-stick essence. So out with the old, in with the new.
Your Bob Marley shirt, your old
You
jeans.
served me well, Bob.
Hi, thank you for helping us out when we needed you. I like that shirt. I think that would look really good on you.
I like it. I like it. Okay, very good. Kia ora whanau. The city is coming alive with the rugby. There's a rugby game today. The Hamilton Chiefs are going to be playing the Wellington Hurricanes. The only Hurricanes that I know of are the North Carolina Raleigh Hurricanes, but that's hockey. Completely different sport. Wellington is going to be playing Hamilton, and neither team has won a game yet thus far. The Chiefs have lost all of their last 3 games, and the Hurricanes have lost their last 2 games. But as you can see around me, the roads are blocked. Everyone's out and about. This is like about as much traffic as you'll get here in Hamilton. Okay, this is our secret parking spot. And really all that it is, it's just the parking spot in front of our old place out here in Frankton. All I know when it comes to rugby is the All Blacks. And there are quite a few All Blacks players that play on both the Chiefs and the Hurricanes. The All Blacks' new captain is Sam Cane, plays for the Chiefs. And then we have that very attractive, with the nice tattoos on his arm, TJ Paradera, who we met briefly, took a photo with him. He plays for the Hurricanes. Jordy Barrett plays for the Hurricanes. Oh, I think these people are trying to cash in on our secret parking spot. Supporting the local team.
Into week 4 of Super Rugby Aotearoa. Both the Chiefs and the Hurricanes are still without a win, which means today's clash here in Hamilton is vital for both, even more so in such a short competition.
Looks like it's cloudy today, but then even the stadium lights I feel are like right in my
They're pretty glaring, eh?
Xavier holds and delivers off the Perenara, straight to Barrett, slings it wide, and he could wait for a week and stroll in and score. Is Cobus van Wyk. It just simply opened up. Right on the stroke of halftime, Jordy Barrett, 58 metres out. And away it goes. Distance is not an issue. What a kick that is. Jordy Barrett lands a mammoth penalty goal.
It's not looking good for the Hamilton Chiefs.
It was a great kick.
20-3. The legs on Mr. Barrett.
Booth in a bit of space. Now he delivers the pass to Barrett, who flings it on. And what a try that is. Cobus van Wyk. And the Hurricanes strike. He takes it quickly, smashing himself. Hands on his back though, which doesn't hurt. And penalty drop.
It's kind of cold.
Cruden goes wide. Bainu, they've got an extra player here. And in the corner goes Foster. And and the game is over, and the Hurricanes win their first game in Super Rugby Aotearoa, and the Chiefs go to a bye 0-4.
Well, that was a bit of an upset. I was kind of hoping that our hometown team, the Hamilton Chiefs, were going to take it. They didn't, though. We were hoping. They did not. It's just nice to be able to attend a sporting event, given the season that we're in, the time of COVID. It's just great to be able to attend a sporting event because we're still in the season of coronavirus for like 90% of the world.
You would never think so.
No, and the energy was palpable tonight, that's for sure. I'm sure people really missed heading out to the stands to support their team. So yeah, it was a good day. Good end to a weekend. So did you have fun, love? Did you enjoy seeing the Hamilton Chiefs play the Hurricanes? Mm-hmm. Good.